Right, welcome back. Now just gonna take a quick little repair. As you can see, the one stud here is gone, and the hole is oversized, so I need to put a new pin in that is like this, 10mm and 8mm. So oversized. First, I'm gonna drill up the hole to 9mm, like that. Very easy. Was 9mm, so that's perfect. And now I'm gonna take this thread maker, make new threads. Yeah, so you can see now there are new threads in there. So ready for this one. Just have some Loctite on it and put it in. I just put a 8mm nut on it so it's easier to screw it in. And then some thread lock. And then just to screw it in. Yeah. No need for a nut this time. Sweet. And now I have a new stud.